We just attended the soft wash program here at J.Racenstein, taught by Doug Apt. And we came down just to learn about this and pretty much the do's and the don'ts. And it was great because Doug taught us a lot of the things that we could do and many things that we have to be careful of going into a soft wash. We certainly don't want to end up being liable for anything, so to know all the do's and the don'ts was really good. It was very educational and we appreciate the time.
I'm looking to get into house washing and soft washing. Took the flat work, pressure washing 101 and soft washing today. They were very informative. I learned a lot more comfortable now to move into my new season offering soft washing. It's a great class, definitely recommend taking it.
Just took the 3-day course for window cleaning, power washing, and soft washing. We've been in business for 30 years, me and my father. Learned a lot of new styles of cleaning, new chemicals that are out on the market that just came out, new tricks on how to use the chemicals, new style machines. Definitely enjoyed the 3-day course, learned a lot from it. Got to meet a few new guys, talked about work and what you could do with these new machines and these new chemicals. Definitely enjoyed it and got to learn a lot from it.
I've come to J.RC University for 3 days of training on window cleaning, pressure washing, and soft washing. And the 3-day training was informative and helpful and certainly has positioned me to be ready to go out in the field and be successful doing whatever our customers need.